Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries. It is Tuesday morning, April the 11th. Thanks for joining us here this morning. We look at what's going to go on in the markets today. We've got this supply and demand report coming out at 11 o'clock. That's going to be kind of the key mover. I don't expect any major changes in this report, but it is going to give us some fresh inputs and give us some direction. Now, going into the report, trade's been pretty quiet overnight. We had a big rally yesterday in corn. Our speculators bought some corn in the overnight Sunday night, so we benefited from the rally. And I don't look for major changes in the balance sheets. A lot of it's been factored in. We already know the quarterly stocks numbers, and those are going to carry forward into today's report. I'm going to be on RFD TV this morning, 10:15 Central Time, looking ahead to what the report's going to say. It's going to give us some fresh inputs. We'll likely see ending stocks raised in corn, soybeans, and wheat, but we're going to start looking ahead towards planting conditions. I know a lot of people trying to get out there and do some field work this week. It actually snowed in our Storm Lake, Iowa office yesterday. They're reporting some snow did not accumulate on the ground. I know South Dakota's had some snow. It's that upper Midwest, Minnesota, the Dakotas, northern Iowa, where we're going to see some delays. That's going to be another couple weeks before we get a lot of activity going. There's people trying to plant, even though it's 35 degrees, and hopefully the ground temperature warms up very quickly for them. We will see a little bit of a break here in the weather, so we can get some field work done midweek, but then after that it gets wet in the long-term forecast again, and that should prove to be enough to give us a rally in this corn market. Not a bull market here yet. We got to get the crop and seed in the ground. Then we can start to trade weather and how it possibly could hurt our yields and maybe see some bigger markets movements into the summer months. This morning we're looking at mixed trade until the report's release. The livestock trade yesterday was sharply higher on the opening, and I just don't have a good fundamental reason why feeders would move to new highs and have over 200-point gains at into the mid-session. The Oklahoma City demand for feeder steers was stronger yesterday, $2 to $4 higher, and a lot of sales. But it looks like country trade is going to be lower in the cash this week. Shillers are carried over and much larger than a week ago. Product value still declining, and I think that's going to put cattle on the defensive in here. We have sloppy fundamentals with the support coming from sharply lower weights, and so it's going to give us some choppy, some two-sided trades. So a couple days you're going to see a big move up, a couple days you're going to see big moves down. Looks to me just going to be choppy trade here in the near term. Have a great day of trade, and hope to talk to you soon. This has been Brian Hoops, Midwest Market Solutions. Good luck, good trading. Have a great day.